Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the Kitchen Utensils Set, a 33-piece collection of non-stick silicone cooking tools that promises to elevate your cooking experience. This set, available in a stylish khaki color, includes everything from turners and skimmers to a pasta server and a pizza cutter, all designed to meet your every cooking need. Crafted with top-grade 304 stainless steel handles and durable silicone heads, these utensils are built to last a lifetime, resisting bending, breaking, and rusting even with daily use. The non-scratch silicone heads are perfect for protecting your expensive non-stick pans and bakeware, ensuring they remain pristine and undamaged. With no trace of plastic, BPA, or latex, these utensils are not only safe but also easy to clean, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this set is designed to make your culinary adventures effortless and enjoyable. And remember, if these utensils don't meet all your cooking needs, there's a money-back guarantee, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.